Welcome back. It's been a while. Today, as usual, I'll show you some handy tips or advice using GA4. Today, I will show you how to use the exploration function. The explore function, you find it here on the left side. Exploration function means that you can build your own reports. As you know, Universal Analytics has a lot of reports that we used to use before. GA4 has some less reports, but still you can make your own. There are several options. There are standard reports that you can build. On the other hand, there's also an option to make a report for your own, like a blank report. Today I'll show you how. So I will open up the blank report. There's no data available, of course, but we can build one. And for now, I'll build a basic report about gender and the metric active users. So how you can build it, I will show you now. The exploration name, of course, is the first step that you need to fill in. Let's say I name this one gender eCom-Ads. The next thing what you want to do is select a range of days. I will take all of the useful data that's available now and apply. For the segments, we don't use anything now, but there are some basic options that you can use. But we want to use the gender dimension, and above you can search in all over here. Import it. There are several options left, like I choose gender, but there are more and more options to choose, but let's keep it simple for now. The next one is, of course, you need to have a metric. In this case, I will select active users. Here you go. Still no data available, but there are some steps you need to follow before you can show the data. And that is, you have to build your, in this case, the table over here. First of all, we start with the metric. I only choose the active users over here, so I can only choose active users. And now I can choose gender. There are two ways. You can show gender in the row or in the column. I show both. So this is gender. In the rows you can see the gender over here, but if I want to use the columns, then it shows in the columns over here. So basically this is the way you use to build your own reports. Of course, there are more options to do, so you can also use the filters, the cell types that you want to use, or the visualization what you have over here. And that's something that you need to find out. But for now, this is the start how you can build your own report. One important thing, don't forget to save your report by just going back to Explore here. And in this case, you can see that the report gender eCom-Ads is available over here. So that's it. Hopefully it will help you to build your own reports. Thank you so much for watching and see you next time.